Hi friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain annotation objects and annotation scaling. What are annotative objects and styles? Annotative objects are annotation with one or more representations at different scales and not separate annotation objects of which you change their height or scale or freeze or thaw their assigned layer to control final size and visibility within a viewport. Let us see what are the different annotation objects we can create. Those are multi-line and single-line text objects and text styles, dimensions and dimension styles, geometric tolerances, multi-leaders and their styles, blocks and attribute definitions, as well as hatch. Let us try to create some annotative objects. The workflow of creating annotative text, dimensions, hatch, and so forth is all similar. In general, we calculate text height like this: paper text height into scale factor. But when it comes to annotative text, we have to specify the annotation scale and paper text height. To create annotative text, just provide paper text height, because AutoCAD automatically calculates and displays the text at the necessary height based on the provided paper text height and assigned annotation scale. Now let us try to create annotative text in Imperial units. So take units command and change length units to architectural and let the insertion scale units be inches, and also change text style to annotation style. Select the annotative and set it current. You can observe here it is asking for paper text height. Okay, then change the annotation scale to ½ inch is equal to 1 foot. That is the scale I would like to use in my layout. Okay, now to create a text, before to that I would like to draw a rectangle of 12 feet by 9 feet. In that I would like to create that much size of viewport. In that I would like to place mtext. Okay, let us create mtext. Go to text and take mtext command, pick the first corner and take height option. Now if you observe, it is asking for specify paper height. So I am giving 1 by 2 inches is the height of the text to be displayed in my paper. Okay, then I am picking the second corner and typing like this: I am ½ inch equal to 1 foot text, and increase the ruler length. Okay, then close the text editor. So this text to be displayed at ½ inch height in my layout. Let us go to layout, right click on the layout one and take page setup manager and click modify to change the paper size. I am taking paper of 24 inch by 18 inch, so that is over here. Okay, and scale 1:1. Say OK and close this. Now I am taking M view to place a viewport, so like this. Now let us change the scale of this viewport. So select this and take modify command, and here annotation scale we have already given ½ inch to 1 foot, and standard scale also we need to select as ½ inch is equal to 1 foot. So where is it? Here it is, ½ inch is equal to 1 foot. Okay, and double click inside the viewport and pan the view so that the required portion will come into the viewport. Now I am clicking 2 times outside to come out of the model space, so that I am in paper space now. So now I would like to measure the height of this text. So I am taking distance command and picking approximately from here to here to know the height. In the tooltip you can see ½ inch is less than 90 degrees. So the height of this text displays at ½ inch size. Okay, now let us go to model space and try to create another text with a different scale. Now let us try to create another mtext with a different annotation scale. So I am switching off this add scales to annotative objects and changing annotation scale to 1/4 inch is equal to 1 foot. Now let's create multi-line text. Pick the first point, take height option, take the height option and enter 0.25. Otherwise you can give 1/4 as well. And then pick the next corner and I am typing I am 1/4 inch is equal to 1 foot text. Okay, increase the ruler and say close text editor. Now this text, if you select and list it out, it will say its paper text height is 1/4 inch, and if you select the first one, it will say its paper text height is 1/2 inch. So let us go to the same layout, and if you observe over here, that second text is not being displayed. To show that in the same viewport, get back to model. To display this text also in the previous layout viewport, select this text, right click and select annotative object scales and add delete scales. Let us add 1/2 inch is equal to 1 foot scale, so that this will be displayed in the previous viewport. This one. Select that and say OK, so that it will come into the list, and now say OK. So now what happened? This text can be displayed in two scales, that is 1/4 inch is equal to 1 foot and 1/2 inch is equal to 1 foot. Let us go to layout 1 and see, yes, the second text is being displayed over here, and let us try to check its height. The height, approximate height from here to here is 1/4 inch. So like that we can create annotative texts in imperial units. Let us try the same in metric units. Okay, now try to place annotative text in metric units. Let us change units to decimal and then millimeters as insertion scale units. Now apply 1:5 scale, because I would like to show my text at 1:5 scale and the height to be displayed is 5 mm. Okay, now go to style command also and set annotative text style, and then try to place M text over here. So pick the first corner point and take height option and provide 5 mm as the paper height. You can see it is asking specify paper height. So I have given 5 mm as the text height in paper. Now I am picking second corner and typing I am 5 mm text and closing the text editor. Now let us go to layout, right click over here and take page setup manager and click modify to modify the paper size. I am taking 297 by 210 A4 sheet and 1:1 scale. Okay, and say OK and close this page setup manager dialog box. Now take mview command to draw a viewport over here. Okay, so we can see text over here, and let us change annotation scale. It is of 1:5 and standard scale also I am setting to 1:5. Okay, and escape. Now if you go on to the paper and try to measure the height of this text, I am taking distance command and trying to measure approximate height of this text. If you see, you can see it is of approximate 5 mm. In the tooltip you can see that one, otherwise I picked those 2 points you can see over here. So like this we can place annotative text and easily get the required paper text height. So friends, hope you understood. To apply this, you need to first of all set the text height to annotative, and then you need to set the required scale over here, required annotation scale over here, and then place your text. And also in the layout, when you place a viewport, you apply the required scale to that viewport over here, so that that paper text height which we have provided while creating this text will be applied over here, and in the print also you will get the same text height in paper. Friends, hope you understood how to place a simple annotation text in imperial units and metric units. It's a big deeper concept. We will dig much deeper in upcoming sessions. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.